Tractors, a forbidden love. I remember the first time I saw that tractor going round and round. The first time I saw that tractor, I nearly forgot to frown. Why, hello there. Hello. What is your name? My name is Patricia. I just moved here from Russia. Really? How interesting is that? Well, I don't want you seeing that tractor anymore! He is no good for you! I need to tell you something. There's someone else, isn't there? No, it's my father. He doesn't want me seeing you. I knew it! There is someone else! No, just stop it. There's no one else, I promise. I don't believe you. I'm sorry. He's just so pretty. I can't believe you. We are over. Who is that jerk? Just a friend. Really? You sure? Yeah, I'm sure. Okay then. Hi! What are you doing? What are you doing? Nothing? Really, that's not what it looks like. I'm not doing anything. Are you sure? Yes. Well then, why are you still touching her? Oh, I'm sorry. Well, I can see that. I had my eye on her first. I had my eye on her since high school. Really? Yeah. I guess we'll have to just settle this the old-fashioned way. Fine with me. Oh, Jack. The end! No tractors were hurt during the making of this film.